Pragya, my colleague, joining me from the BJP headquarters. यहाँ तो मिठाइयाँ बननी शुरू हो गई हैं. प्रज्ञा, पूरी सब्जी मिठाइयाँ बन रही हैं. This is for distribution. नहीं, this is Delhi. This is new. Well, Pragya, over to you. What's going on? What's the menu?
Ma'am, the menu right here is sattu ke parathe with bangan ka chokha. What Biharis like in the morning in the breakfast here that will be served is from Bihar. That shows that how confident NDA is here right now. But they're quite excited, considering that sattu is, very core to the food and nutrition of Bihar. They are serving this in the breakfast today. But having said that, the mood is quite upbeat. There is spring in the, in steps of BJP leaders, I would say. And we were talking to them yesterday itself, and they were, calculating each and every seat, how they are winning more seats than the previous time is what they believe, and they believe that this is a very smooth victory for them. And in fact, they were also talking about various narratives.
Any laddus being made, or is it only puri and chokha?
I think they haven't started preparing laddus as of now. But given the fact
so they're
that,
not calling the elections just yet. Take a deep breath, Sanjay Jha. अभी उन्होंने decide नहीं किया कि वो जीत रहे हैं. लड्डू नहीं है, सिर्फ सत्तू के पराठे हैं.
I have a strong feeling that they have a very charitable disposition. They are preparing it for us, and I think we welcome the kind of advanced work they are doing already.
Great. Atiti Devo Baba. In India, I'm sure अगर आपको पराठे चाहिए तो बीजेपी आपको पराठे जरूर खिला देगी.
Fair enough. I had one problem with what Ms. Prakash mentioned earlier about Congress abandoning the election. I think basic common sense tells you that if RJD is contesting on 143 seats, which is out of the entire Mahagathbandhan distribution, RJD is going to be on front foot. It's logical. It's the way I think politics is fought anywhere. RJD was doing the heavy lifting. Tejasvi is the chief minister face, and I think that's how it was really strategized.
Common sense tells me that Rahul Gandhi would have done well if he had endorsed Tejasvi Yadav when his name was announced as the chief minister. If Rahul Gandhi was his side, it would have made the alliance look better. Common sense also tells me, Sanjay Jha, that if Rahul Gandhi was at the spot, if not at the spot, at least in the fight, visible, campaigning, because perception in politics and during elections is important, but common sense not so common.
But he galvanized the whole Bihar electorate long before.
Yeah, since he mentioned my name, I just want to give a response that, look, when it comes to the NDA, it is quite clear that it was Nitish Kumar who's going to be chief minister. In spite of that, you saw the way BJP brought in the campaign. They brought in the chief ministers, prime minister, home minister. Everybody comes in and campaigns and give the strength to the JDU that you guys are the face and we are bringing in the army from the back, the infantry, the artillery. But when it comes to the MGP, it was Tejasvi who was doing everything. BJP said that it is quite clear that they are the chief minister. When it comes to the MGP, it is quite clear that Rahul Gandhi stepped aside and asked poor Mr. Alavaru to handle the entire.
Poor Mr. Alavaru, well, the knives are out for Alavaru, so no poor Mr. Alavaru.